Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Boxten from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large square near the top of the page for the shape of the head. Now in the top corners, let's draw a small curve up and another line across at the top. Now inside this top section, let's draw two lines down in the center. And then let's hop underneath and let's draw a rectangle shape down and another one inside. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two large circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. And then on top of the right eye, let's draw a curve down and back up. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and let's draw a curve over, bring it up on the right side for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and let's draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a small curve across. And then a V shape underneath. Now for the ends of the scarf, let's draw two curves out on the right side, and then two more underneath. Now for the shape of the body, let's curve it down and bring it back in the center. And then add a curve across inside near the bottom. Now that we're done the torso, let's hop out and let's draw the arms. For the right arm, let's draw a curve down and out. And then a curve out for the hand. A smaller curve underneath for the thumb, and then one more curve for the bottom of the arm. Now let's hop over to the left side. For this arm, let's draw two angles down and out. And then angle them back up at the ends. Now from the top line, let's draw a curve out and back in for the thumb, and a larger curve underneath for the hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's start with two angles down. And then a set of shorter lines next to it on the outside. Now from the bottom, let's curve it out and back in for the feet. And lastly, inside each leg, let's add 4 curves across. And that's it for Boxten. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!